Hi everyone! I know it's been a while. So sa last unboxing ko po ay we unboxed this. My Space Molly Mega Emoji. So now, since galing po kami sa Bali, and may nakita po akong Top Mart doon. And may stock sila ng Space Molly. And now, again and again, we're gonna do unboxing! I'm gonna unbox Series 3 with this option. And ito po yung bago nila na Mega Space Molly Orange Juice. Wala po ito sa Sydney. It's out of stock 2 weeks ago. So nung pagpunta namin sa Bali, ang daming stock. So bumili agad ako ng dalawa. So I'm not really a fan of Space Molly na kailangan kong kumpletuhin in every series. I just wanted to have like 2. Whatever I bought, that's it. Yan lang. Pero sana swerte po ako to get this Space Molly that I wanted. So tara, let's unbox. We're gonna unbox Space Molly Series 3. So, ang gusto ko po dito ay Gary Baseman, Ted 2, or Tetris. Yan po yung gusto ko. Okay, unbox na tayo. I'm excited. Okay. Hindi ko muna makita! Ulo niya, ito.
Nice!
Sino to? Graffiti! Is it? Oo, si Graffiti nga! Huh? Yes, si Graffiti. Hulo! Gusto ko to! Nakasama ko gusto si Graffiti! Galing! Yes! Oh, may ano pa siya, oh. So, talagang may baril ang Space Molly. Pew, pew, pew. Ulit. Tulo ko. Alright. Galing! Alright. Next na! Okay, let's open it. Where's the space?
Nice!
Ito! Wala! Mga favorite ko naman ako! Galing! Yay! Yan po ang aking gusto sa Space Molly Series 3. Oo, talagang gusto ko. Look. So, ito yung si Graffiti. Ang cute, diba? Yan si Graffiti. Next, si Ted. Cutie! And now, next one, we're gonna open Space Molly Orange Juice. Ito po siya. So, ang gusto ko po dito ay Space Orange Juice, Purple Sweet Potato, John Burgerman or Lala Company. Okay, let's open the first one. Ito, mabigat to. Ayoko makita yung baril, baka kasi malaman ko kagad. So, tinago ko muna.
Nice!
What's this? Basic. Trevor Andrew. Look, but it's cute. Kasi wala pa akong pink. Okay, nice. Look at that. Ay, ang cute ng mata. It's heart. Look. I still love it. Cute! Ta-da! Can I put that in there? Alright, next one. Kahit ano man ang nandito, gusto ko pa rin. Pero sana lang nakuha ko yung talagang gusto ko. So, andito din siya sa basic. Si John Burgerman at saka si Lala Company. So, ano lang, please. Like it's a special. Yeah. Oh my god! Same! Oh my... First time ko! Same sila! Oh my god! Why? my God! Lana, may kambal na siya. Ba yan? Pangit mo daw ako. Na-stress. Ano? Yan ha? Oh, ayoko ka ng pareho. But it's so cute. Yeah, the same. Comment down below if you want this. I can give this to you as long as you're in Sydney. Sorry, it's unboxed na siya. But if you want it, you can have this. Thank you. So I unboxed this, and this. But meron pa ako niyan. This, and this. Yay! Please, huwag na kayo maglabas ng Space Molly. Bili lang ako ng bili. Comment down below if you want this one. Bye! Thank you for watching.